Hello and welcome to the second lesson to learn possessive adjectives. What are possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives are words that modify a noun to show a form of possession, a sense of belonging or ownership to a specific person, animal, or thing. The possessive adjectives used in the English language are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Each one corresponds to a subject pronoun. Donc les adjectifs possessifs utilisés en anglais sont my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Et chacun d'eux correspond à un pronom sujet. So let's look at the meaning of the possessive adjectives in French. My in French means mon, ma, mes. Donc my en français, mon, ma ou mes. Your qui veut dire ton, ta ou tes. His qui veut dire son, sa ou ses. Donc his c'est le genre masculin. Her qui veut dire son, sa ou ses, genre féminin. Its qui veut dire son, sa ou ses, genre neutre. Our qui veut dire notre ou bien nos. Your qui veut dire votre ou vos. Their qui veut dire leur ou leur. Donc, listen and repeat after me. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Next, the use of possessive adjectives. So you have the subject pronouns and the possessive adjective. Take a closer look and then listen and repeat after me. Pay attention to the use of the possessive adjective. Donc, écoute ces phrases et répète après moi et prête attention à l'utilisation des adjectifs possessifs. I have got a cat. It's my cat. You have a dog. It is your dog. Khalil got a book. It's his book. Khalil got a book. It's his book. Julia is riding a bicycle. It is her bicycle. The house is gray. Gray is its color. We have built a house. It is our house. These are your bags. They are going to sell their old motorbike. So next, translate the sentences in French. Tu peux mettre la vidéo en pause maintenant et traduire ces phrases en français. Tu peux faire ça de façon orale si tu veux. And next, remember, a possessive adjective is always followed by a noun. Donc, un adjectif possessif est toujours suivi d'un nom. Examples, your phone, my brother, his dog, etc. Next, a possessive adjective refers to the noun before it, not to the noun that follows it. Examples, my uncle lives with his daughter. Not my uncle lives with her daughter. No. Julia loves her husband and not Julia loves his husband. Next. Les adjectifs possessifs sont invariables en genre et en nombre, comme tout adjectif. My son, mon fils, my daughter, ma fille, my friends, mes amis. Attention, à la troisième personne, trois adjectifs correspondent aux trois pronoms personnels he, she, it et s'accordent avec le possesseur, non comme en français avec le possédé. Exemple, Julia writes to her husband, her sister, and her friends. Paul writes to his boss, his wife, and his friends. Paul écrit à son patron, sa femme et ses amis. Remarque, on emploie dans certains cas l'adjectif possessif en anglais au lieu de l'article défini en français. Exemple, he walked with his hands in his pockets. Il marchait les mains dans les poches. Next, own. Own qui veut dire propre en français, un adjectif attribué. Own, ajouté à l'adjectif possessif, renforce l'adjectif possessif. Donc, own est ajouté à l'adjectif possessif pour le renforcer. Un exemple, he has his own problems. Il a ses propres problèmes. He has his own problems. Next, we can use a possessive adjective and a possessive noun together. Donc, on peut utiliser un adjectif possessif et un nom possessif également ensemble. I hope you remember possessive nouns. James Park, Williams Park, John's car, etc. Possessive noun or possession. Example, my brother's name is Ulrich. You have my, a possessive adjective, brother's name, a possessive noun. Do not confuse the possessive adjective its and its. Its qui veut dire it is. We use the same possessive form for singular and plural nouns. Examples, her brothers, her brother, her boyfriend. Not hers brothers. Jamais. Donc, hers, pas de S à la fin. Hers brothers, non. C'est toujours her brother. Que ce soit masculin, que ce soit singulier ou pluriel, on a her brothers. Do not confuse there, and there. These three words sound the same but have different meanings. There are 34 students in the class. They are all from Africa. The textbook is grammar. So, tu peux voir l'utilisation de ces trois mots, there, and there. La prononciation, c'est la même, mais la signification, bien différente, très différente. So next, let's move on to do some exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive adjective. Donc, pour cet exercice, complète ces phrases avec l'adjectif possessif qui correspond. Mettre la vidéo en pause et faire cet exercice rapidement. When you are done, you can move on to check your answers. Listen and repeat after me. I like my name. He loves his mother. She loves her father. This tree is losing its leaves. Do you use your father's last name? We put our names at the top of the page. Some women change their last names when they get married. So for more practice, you can try to translate these 7 sentences in French. When you are done, congratulations for completing this part. Happy learning and see you later in the next lesson.